Hello lovers of good things, welcome to my channel Cook with Amy. Please, if it's your first time of coming across my channel, touch the subscribe button to subscribe. For returning subscriber, I say thank you. Give this video a thumbs up. I'm using 1.5 cup, half teaspoon of, I'm going with little salt, sugar 1 table, so I use 2 tablespoons of sugar. So I'll mix together to combine the ingredients. I'll mix very well to combine. After that, I'll go in with 1 egg. 1 egg. There is the egg. 1 cup of milk, but I'll add it gradually. I'll add it to warm milk. Stir. So here is the mixture. You see, I don't want it to be too watery. So, with my pepper, chopped pepper and chopped onion. So you can add any other topping of your choice. You can add your sausage, you can add your stranded beef or chicken, or your fish, anyone you want. You can add it at this moment, then stir very well to combine. So at this moment, we'll cover for just few minutes, like 2 to 3 minutes, to double in size. I'll place my pan on the fire. Use any pan you have. I don't have the non-stick pan, so I'm using this my frying pan. I'll first of all apply margarine, because this frying pan can misbehave. It will just spoil my work. So I'll first of all use margarine to oil it first before I start going with my oil. My margarine. Please know that you fry on low or medium heat. Low or medium heat. Ready to be fried. Here's our back. I have to stir again. And so you can make yours to be bigger than this. I don't want it to be too big for the kids. So you flip to the other side. Wow! Can you flip to the other side of the... You can see how beautiful it is. I wish I can video my daughter so that you see the joy in her face. She's here with me. And other that so feel free to make your own bigger than mine. I don't want it to be too big.